How to use TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use TurboTax to file your taxes. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser, or you can also launch open the TurboTax app if you have that. Now, you want to search for TurboTax over here, then head over to turbotax.intuit.com. Now, you want to tap on the sign in option. If you do not have an account, you have to create one first. All you want to do is enter your email ID, user ID, then create a password and enter your phone number. Then tap on the create account option. Now, if you already have an account, you can tap on the sign in option. From here, you want to enter your phone number, email, or user ID. Then tap on the sign in option. Next thing you want to do is enter the password. Then tap on the continue option. Now, once you have been logged in, the first thing you want to do is choose the right version of TurboTax. TurboTax will ask you a couple of questions. Simply answer that. Depending on the answer, TurboTax will recommend you the right version of it. Now, there are different versions of TurboTax. The first one is Free Edison, which is for simple tax return. The second one is TurboTax Deluxe, which is ideal if you have deductions. The third one is TurboTax Premier, which is best for individuals with investment income or rental properties. There is also TurboTax Self-Employed and TurboTax Live. Once you have selected your preferred version, the next thing you want to do is fill up these details. Now, TurboTax will ask you a series of questions about your personal info, income and expenses, deductions and credits, other tax situation, state taxes. Then it will have you review all of the information. Then you will have to finish and file. So as you can see, you have to complete all of these steps in order to file your tax. Now you can begin with your personal info. Here, you will have to enter your social security number or ITIN, date of birth, occupation, residence state, previous state, filing status, if you have dependents or not. You will also have to enter your address and phone. Then you will have to enter your household details. After that, you will have to add your dependents if you have that. Now, in this way, you have to simply fill up the details required in TurboTax. Then, if you are employed, you can upload or manually enter your W-2. TurboTax allows direct import from many employers, making this step faster. Then you will need to enter additional income information such as 1099 forms for freelance work, investment, or retirement income. After you've filled up all of these details, TurboTax will guide you through entering deductions and credits in the review section. Then, after all of these steps have been completed, you can file your taxes. You can e-file your tax return directly with the IRS. TurboTax will prompt you to choose whether to file your federal return for free or choose a paid version. Now, within the TurboTax account, if you want to change your details, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. You have different options over here. If you want to change some details about your account, tap on the Intuit account option. From here, you can manage your Intuit account. You can manage subscriptions, change address, change passwords. Scroll down and here you will also find the option of sign in and security, profile, data privacy, preferences, products and billing and documents. So this is where you can manage your account, and in this way you can use TurboTax in 2024. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.